Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Couple quick clarifications. Number one, I'm trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below to a totally free 4-part series where I walk you through the futures market and how it all works. But it's an amazing market. And then you combine that with the fact of prop firms, which is what I'm doing. So I'm trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which prop firm am I using? And all that can be found at the link up above, also down in the description area. But in a nutshell, a prop firm is a way for you to put very little of your money at risk, and then you have a whole lot of upside potential. So if that sounds like something that could be of value, then definitely give it a look. So I'll pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential trade. All right, looking to potentially play a little bit of a back test here. Don't want to chase the short down. If it wants to bounce up a little bit more, would be interested in a potential short. Bounce up a bit more. There we go. All right, small loss on that one. It's not quite going. Might come back down, but just rather take a small little loss and try to reposition. I'll maybe finally want to go. Blue line is my entry. Come on, push. Ooh, all right. Try to give it another go here. And I'm short, so I want to see the price go down if you're a newer trader. So prices going up would be bad. I want to see the price go down and get below that blue line. Come on, push. That's better. So from minus 60 up to 630 now. So that's why, you know what, sometimes just cut the loss. You can always get back in. You can always reposition yourself. And no, I mean, taking a loss is never fun, even though it was, only 60 bucks. I mean, nobody likes to be wrong. And that's what happened there. But that's part of it. You just got to manage that risk. And as long as you're, managing the risk, all it takes is one to, as you just witnessed right there, put myself, but not only wipe away that losing trade, but put myself well into the green. So the power of risk management. All right, I'll pause. Let's see if we can find something else. All right, going to start very small here and build a position. Okay, so in there, starting again very, very small, but I want to give myself flexibility here. So if this thing bounces right here, all right, there we go. Let me try to add in another one. There we go. Can still at very small size. Blue line is my average price. I am long, so this time I do want to see the price go up. That would be a good thing. Want a bouncer, doesn't it? So I added some more. That's why that blue line. Buy some more at that line right there. Let's see if we can get up above that blue line here. Again, blue line is my average price. I'm going to get a little bit higher than that. Come on. All right, so that is the benefits of giving yourself plenty of flexibility. Obviously, was not the greatest first entry point. It dumped a whole lot against me, yet I still came away with a small little profitable gain. But I'm going to go back to the it start again at 73. I'm going to try down some down here at 70. There we go. I'll try the process over again. I got scared for a second. I was like, oh, did I forget to hit record? But I was recording, so that's good. All right, I will pause and we'll see if the price wants to get down to that green line. All right, gonna take, well, maybe one more trade here. I'm gonna look to get short there. I am short. I cannot stand when it blinks. Stop is right there. Oh, and stopped out. So, all right, well, that one didn't work out. Thought it might want to kind of roll back over. Still may, but I was going to keep a tight leash on it. Maybe I'll try it one more time. An entry. Only want to get in, though, if it hits that red line. So the last trade was a loser. Nothing big, but I got plenty of wiggle room on the day, so... Got a couple. Okay, in. Again, let's see if we can get some actual push down now. Come on, a little bit more. Oh, doing me dirty like that. Come on. Come on. There we go. Okay. Get my stop change here. So now I'll just let this one work for me. Put my stop right there. So this will be a winning trade now. Put my next target right there. Again, my blue line is here. My entry or my stop is there. So this, like I said, will be a winning trade now no matter what. Come on, a little bit more. There we go. Got that one. Put my stop above the high of this candle here. If it wants to keep bleeding, great. I'll go for my next target down here. Oh, that blinking blue line gonna drive me nuts. I don't know why. If you have a trick for that, let me know in the comment section. I'm using Trade Evade here. Get next target down there. So again, think about that losing trade. My timing was off a little bit, so I got out, cut the loss, kept it small, because you can always get back in. I got back in, and now this trade is working out just fine. So that loss has been wiped away, plus nicely in the green. Maybe even more so in the green if this thing decides to keep on bleeding. We'll see. Here you go. Get down a little bit more now. Has bounced from here before, so that's why I'm getting more and more aggressive with it. And I am stopped. All right. So there we go. I don't remember what number that was at, but there we go. Now up 170 on that one. So a good, nice variety of trades. Couple losers, but hopefully the biggest example you walk away from all this is, hey, if you're wrong, just cut the loss. Keep it small. Especially in futures. Futures, there's no pattern day trade rule. You can make as many trades as you want every single day. I know sometimes people wonder about not wanting to quote unquote waste your day trades. That's one of the great things about futures. You don't have to worry about, oh, I don't want to waste a day trade. Let me just get out. You can always hop right back in. You're not going to have that concern at all because, again, that's one of the great things about futures. There is no pattern day trading rule. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and call it good. Before I go, though, I do want to invite you to get signed up for this free live online webinar that I'm offering. So if you are a beginner trader or a struggling trader, definitely get signed up for this class. Now, if you're a battle-hardened veteran and you have a rock-solid strategy, I mean, don't get me wrong, you're welcome to attend, but I'm not quite sure you'll necessarily get anything from the class if you're in that category. But if you're in the category of struggling trader or newer trader just getting started, then I'm quite confident that you'll get some things from this class that will help you on your journey. So definitely get signed up for it. You can go to claytrader.com/live, or just check out the link down in the description area, and that will tell you when the next live class is. So thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, and make sure you swing by the live stream. I do live stream every day, Monday through Friday, starting at 11 a.m. Eastern. So take care, everybody. Have a good one.